In this video, we will show you how to remove the wristband and replace it with the belt clip. First, remove the wristband from your device. Turn the device over and locate the small silver quick-release pins on each wrist strap. To remove the existing wrist straps, slide the quick-release pin toward the center of the device and pivot the strap away from the device. To put the device into the belt clip, align the indents on the back of the device with the belt clip. Firmly press the device into the belt clip until it clicks and there are no gaps between the back of the device and the belt clip. To remove the device from the belt clip, hold the top of the belt clip and the device and firmly twist the device to remove it from the belt clip.